Hey guys, I'm showing you this heated socks. So you can see comes in a really nice box, and these are the heated socks for the winters that you can wear. These have the accessories. There are two battery packs, manual, and storage bag or the washing bag as well. So this can be used for the washing as well as for storage. These are the two battery pack that you can charge and then use in the socks. So they are the USB-C chargers that you can use. So you can see like in the indicators to show. This can also be used to charge your mobile if you want, but for now we can use it for the socks. So these are very nice fluffy socks. You can see the left and the right mentioned on the socks, so you know where to put. You can put in the battery pack on the side as there is a pocket. So just put this connection here and put on this battery pack. You can see the button and the indicators. So just put it the USB-C and then put it on the side in the pocket. So this is a nice pocket, like to hold this, and then you can just wear the socks. So the both sides the element is on the bottom, and then you can use it on the side with the other pocket as well. So the same way you can put both the battery packs in both socks and then on it, and then this will heat up the socks. So they're nice fluffy, good size. They are medium size and fits really well and comfortable. That you can see it here. It's a long sock, so it goes up to nearly up to the knees, and then the side pocket is not interfere with anything, and I don't feel that wire stuff here. The side is also nice.